what's up? Welcome back to another video. So this time, I'm not playing Outlast. I don't really care if it's foggy or whatever, if it's blurry. To be honest, I'm gonna get a new camera. I gotta get a new phone, something that has better lens and stuff. So now I'm playing Outlast. And what's happening is, well, I'm a little bit past halfway through. Like, right now, I gotta go find Father Martin in the administration block. And I'm about to book it right now.
Me too.
Because of YouTube, I can book it. No, that was dumb. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Ah! That scared the bologna sausage out of me. Okay. You dumb, dude. You dumb. I'm right here in front of you. There's nothing covering. You see how dumb he is? Take a left. 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 Oh no, he's coming back. He's gonna see me, guys. He's gonna see me. Hello! Hello! I'm stuck! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to look at your mom in the shower! Ah! Please leave me alone! Oh, you ripped my head off. Oh! Yeah, you ripped my head off. What do I do? I was afraid to go open that one door because he was already chasing me. I didn't think he'd notice when I get that far. Alright, well, I got a plan. Open. Open. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to lock it. Why don't I leave that one open? Should close that one. Lock him in here. Give me a chance to do something. Alright, come on in. Go over there, and I book it, and I close the door, and I run. Maybe another door open, he's still going to break that one open. That's how retarded this guy is. I'm pretty sure his name is the Wall Rider. Keep going that way. Keep going that way. But hey, hold up. You got some nice titties. Oh, look at those abs. Come back. That's not part of my plan. He's seriously going to go in that door now? Because that's the only other door in the hallway. What was he doing? Alright, I gotta do something. How dumb is he? How dumb is... Why is he blind? Clearly, this dude's blind. I mean, look at him. See, you can see the white in his eyes, literally. Oh my god, that is a lot closer. What's up, buddy? You ever think about looking at this little crack here? Yeah, that's right, better walk away. Should I book it? How long did he wait there? Come on, have it open. Of course it's not. This is the only one closed too. Of course he's gonna open this one. I could have made it not suspicious. Oh. Ooh. Take my finger, guys. This is the only one closed. It's definitely not in this one. The only one closed. Totally not. I lost him. He's an idiot. What do I do? Okay, fine. Should I open it? I don't think he's in that room. Alright. Now, battery. What? I thought I was inside or something. Oh my god. Don't even know. Oh, look at that. What is the toilet bowl filled up that much with water? Jeez. I can't hear him. I think we're good. Here, let me see how long this video is going. There. We got like 5 more minutes for the... Alright, I think I'm gonna open it. What do you think? What room is he in? Better not be in that one. That one right there, the line is? The dot? Okay, one thing. I think that's the room I'm supposed to go in, because that one's like left a crack, and he hasn't broke that one in, so I think that's the one we're supposed to go in there. Man, this sucks. He can't be by me. If he's by me. Hello! Fat man! Fat ugly man! I'm stuck! I'm literally stuck! What can I do? What can I do? Are you gonna leave me alone, mister? No. I was stuck in the toilet stall with some fat dude. What was I supposed to do? I think first thing, I know he's gonna go in that one Coca-Cola room. So right away I'm going that. Wait. Yes. Yeah! I knew it! I'm in the vent. I'm in the ventilation system. Let me just go by. Let me go by Billy. Billy! I missed you, buddy. Where were you all this time? Fine, you know what? Who needs Billy? Get out of here! Got a bad feeling. Where do we go? I think I'm gonna go there. I think I've seen a video. Have I been here before? In the very beginning, it feels like I've been here. I I think I hit the wall rider. Ha! So I took my documents. Yeah, I got a lot of documents. Is that what? Okay. For presenting the news of covering the news. There's a lot of boring things in that one. Ooh, got project. Project paperclip. Why haven't I read this yet? First, the paperclip, the rides, and it looks pretty boring. I don't want to do that. I'm not sure if my character should go there. I'll go here. We'll figure it out. Yeah. Nope. He found his way. Oh. I thought that was great. These didn't have books. I might make a part 2. Hello? Peekaboo? Hello? Hello? Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah.
I think we should end this video off right here, guys. What do you think? I think I should. Well, as usual, you know the daily things. Oh, it's snowing outside. Well, like this video, subscribe to that channel if you haven't already. I'm always uploading new videos, and if you guys really think, no, I'm not gonna upload this guy, or upload this, subscribe to this guy, because he's just gonna be on my home screen. I usually don't do that to people, but like this video, or my videos, I'm doing like 2 videos daily now. And I'm kind of proud of myself. So, I'm gonna make a part 2 right now, pretty much. So yeah, as I was saying, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little bell button. And, yeah, dropkick that like button if you guys could. Because, nothing's better than dropkicking that like button. So, as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace!